traveling not only invigorates your mind but also your soul. Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will be looking at my trip to Varkala from Bangalore. This is going to be a longer video than usual. I hope you would watch the video till the end to see through my eyes the mesmerizing sights that give this beautiful state the moniker God's own country. In this video you will see some travel, hotel, garden, food and overall review of the place. So sit back and feast your eyes on the sights that I hope will titillate you to visit this place someday. So we started our journey from the beautiful premises of the Bengaluru International Airport, which pays a befitting tribute to a city which is the Garden City of India. I love the plush interiors of this beautiful airport with some green elements that show us that civilization and greenery can coexist in perfect harmony. After gobbling up some steamy tiny idlis submerged in the best sambar in the world, we head to the tarmac where I see some amazing birds of the sky. Air India is one of my favorite airlines, maybe not known for its time management, but the services and the infrastructure is definitely much better than any other airlines. I must add here that the breakfast served was definitely lip-smacking with the vada and the appropriately salty dal adding to the taste factor in a very unassuming breakfast like this. And as we get ready to land, the sight of the beach made our hearts skip a beat. For a thalassophile like me, sights like these make traveling worthwhile. As we set foot into the city of Thiruvananthapuram, we see how beautiful the city is, which is a marriage of both modern and traditional. So to reach Varkala, you can either take a cab that would cost you around 2000 Indian rupees, or you could take the local train which cost us just rupees 40. The best part about the train was that it reached in less than 25 minutes, the only drawback being that it was very crowded. We stayed at the Gateway Varkala, which turned out to be a splendid property which had a huge influence of Kerala architecture in its build and design. The art, the sight from the courtyard and the smiling faces of the receptionists made us feel welcome to this secluded property nestled between the beach and the lush greenery, providing the perfect canvas for a wonderful stay in Varkala. The room was exquisite, spacious, and the best part was that it had a balcony with a distant yet mind-boggling sea and garden view. After checking in, we head towards the most prominent tourist attraction in this place, the Varkala Cliff, where you have to walk on a cliff that oversees the beautiful Arabian Sea. Some places have been badly affected by erosion, but there are a lot of shops here that range from clothes to food and everything in between. The weather fortunately was pleasant due to overcast conditions. After walking for a while, we sat down to have a sumptuous prawn curry with crispy, yummy fish tawa fry. If the sight to your right wasn't enough, you get to feast your eyes on the plethora of plants that grow on the cliff besides shops and hotels of all sizes. You might be wondering how these plants can tolerate such harsh seaside conditions like salt-laden wind, intense heat and salty soil as well. As you can see, some of them like this pothos, though surviving, still has burnt edges due to these uninhabitable conditions that a lot of seaside gardeners have to comprehend with. Though these plants look like they are able to thrive, they still look bruised and battered. So if you want to know on what kind of plants can survive such seaside conditions, then I will probably make a separate video on them soon. But the highlight of this walk was this cafe that had plants all over its facade, which could probably rival the fabled Hanging Gardens of Babylon. From the turtle vines to the pothos, everything seemed so wedded to this place that I really wanted to meet the one who designed this garden, but unfortunately couldn't. I'm absolutely impressed with how people have now understood the importance of greening up their businesses to attract customers, especially the millennial lot, because what more can be Instagrammy than this?
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
And just like any avid gardener, I set my sights on the beautiful gardens at the gateway, which had an amount of symmetry and uniformity in its choice of plants. There weren't many plants per se, barring the presence of these lipstick palms, many alamanders and other tropical plants with a green lawn that provided a picturesque backdrop to the entire tapestry of plants. I especially loved these meandering paths that led to a secluded area that was covered with trees, water, and so many foresty plants like these ferns. We also loved the somewhat scary yet thrill-filled walk through this artificial jungle that finally led us to the beach, which was a world in itself with people bidding a joyous farewell to the sun and soaking in all the goodness that the sound of these waves provides one's soul. With this, we came to the end of our journey, and on the way we went to the Padmanabha Swami temple, which is known to be the most richest temple in the world. And it was indeed a beautiful place that was so spick and span. The pond looked so clean from the last time I saw it when I was 14. From Trivandrum, we travelled to Kochi to board our flight to Bengaluru. And I must say that I was mighty impressed with the newly refurbished Kochi domestic airport that looked exquisite and had world-class amenities rivaling some of the best airports in India. So with this, we have come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Bangalore. I really hope you enjoyed this travel and garden video. Along with being a gardener, I love traveling as well, and I know most of you do too. So this video is dedicated to those who in their spare time garden as well as travel the world. If you really like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Also send in your valuable feedback to me by commenting below. You can additionally follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be provided below. Thank you for watching Urbanscape Bangalore, and until we meet again, goodbye.